Congress in Karnataka or anywhere in the country stands for power and paisa. The tussle between Siddaramaiah ji and D.K. Shivakumar ji is only the struggle between the paisa and power. And so far, Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi is able to keep both of them apart and give a competition between them who will send them lot of paisa. The Karnataka state has plunged into chaos with a economic instability and the growth has nosedived. It is the time for the entire population of the Karnataka to decide by voting Congress anywhere is like writing their own doom. Sooner or later, the Karnataka is going to get rid of Congress or with or before elections.